Hey, I'm Scott, co-founder of KEXY. I made this quick video to break down 3 things you absolutely need to know about AI agents and how they're shaking up the business world. Number 1, what are AI agents and how can you use them in your business? Number 2, what are top tech leaders like Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, and Satya Nadella saying about them? Number 3, I'll show you how AI agents we've built are helping our clients grow and scale efficiently. All right, let's get into it. So there's a lot of hype around AI agents, but most people still don't get what they are. I've talked to business owners who literally thought an AI agent was a person knocking on their door to sell them, well, AI. And I'm not even kidding. So let me break down what an AI agent is for you. An AI agent, in simpler terms, are autonomous assistants that help you handle tasks like customer support, sales, marketing, and other business operations that don't involve a human being. Think of them as digital employees that work 24/7. They never call in sick and they don't take coffee breaks. And it's important to understand that in just a few years, AI agents won't be optional. They'll be essential to your business as a website or an email address. The future isn't coming, it's actually already here. And if your business isn't thinking about this right now, you're already falling behind. Now, maybe you're thinking, who the heck is this guy and why should I care what he thinks? That's a fair question. Well, aside from the fact that our company has built cutting-edge AI agents that have sent out millions of high-converting emails, leading to revenue-driving opportunities for our clients, I want you to hear what the following tech titans like Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, and Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella are saying about AI agents. And most importantly, why they believe these tools will completely transform how business is done. I'm going to play 3 clips from each of these individuals, and then I'll break down exactly what they're implying, but more importantly, what it means for your business moving forward.
Well, the ability to navigate data, which a long time ago you had to have some IT guy write a thing and, okay, what's the header and footer and, report. There's a thing called RPG, report generation language. And, in COBOL, you have this section in the picture. Anyway, a lot of that stuff, it's so obsolete, it just makes you laugh. The idea you can sit down and engage in a dialogue about data in a very rich way means that, our ability to run businesses better, understand bottlenecks, adapt to changing things will be so incredible. And it won't require custom software. And in fact, the whole complexion of the software market, how many applications will there be? At first, what we have is everybody adding AI to every application and saying, okay, pay me extra because now I got a little AI. But in fact, the number of applications you need, think of a college which has a scheduling app, a finance app, support the student app. That should all be one thing, that every encounter with the student to the college is all maintained in a rich way. So the software applications will be very different. And I'm, trying to figure out, okay, how quickly does that happen? It's incredibly beneficial that this software is more adapting to you, including creating user interfaces dynamically, than you going, okay, I use this software package for this, and then I go to this website and do this. You're a low-level clerk.
Okay, so what Bill Gates is saying is that working with data used to be complicated, but AI is changing that because it's more user-friendly. And this shift will help businesses run more efficiently because you won't have to jump back and forth using a ton of applications. Instead, it will be just one intelligent system that adapts to you. All right, now let's play a clip from Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella.
SaaS applications or biz apps. So let me just speak of our own dynamics thing.
Right.
The approach, at least we're taking, is I think the notion that business applications exist, that's probably where they'll all collapse, right, in the agent era. Because if you think about it, right, they are essentially CRUD databases with a bunch of business logic. The business logic is all going to these agents. And these agents are going to be multi-repo CRUD, right? So they're not going to discriminate between what the backend is. They're going to update multiple databases, and all the logic will be in the AI tier, so to speak. And once the AI tier becomes the place where all the logic is, then people will start replacing the backend.
What Nadella is saying is similar to Gates in that most business apps like CRMs and finance tools are just smart databases that follow rules. If X happens, do Y. But AI agents can handle this for you by connecting to multiple systems, following the logic, and performing the output. But he takes it a bit further with a little shock factor. He implies that SaaS, or software as a service applications as we know them, are essentially dead. Let that sink in a bit. And finally, let's hear what Zuckerberg has to say about AI agents.
I think we're going to live in a world where there are going to be hundreds of millions of billions of different AI agents, eventually probably more AI agents than there are people in the world. And if you think about it, these are just huge spaces, right? So there are hundreds of millions of small businesses in the world. And one of the things I think is really important is basically making it so with a relatively small amount of work, a business can basically, a few taps, stand up an AI agent for themselves that can do customer support, sales, communicate with all their people, all their customers. I think that every business in the future, just like they have an email address and a website and a social media presence today, I think every business is going to have an AI agent that their customers can talk to in the future.
Zuckerberg says we're heading toward a future with more AI agents than people, billions according to him. That might be a little bit of a stretch, but the direction is clear. AI agents are becoming the norm. Forward-thinking companies are already using 10 or more types of AI agents. Take Macy's, for example. They're not just dipping a toe in, they're diving head first into the AI revolution. From customer service to back-end logistics, they've embedded AI agents throughout their entire business model. It's bold, it's smart, and it's already happening. So if your business isn't thinking about AI agents yet, it's time to start adapting or get left behind. Okay, so now that you know what AI agents are and how they can help streamline your business, let's take things a step further. You've seen what the experts are saying. Now let's get practical. I'm about to show you exactly how we at KEXY use AI agents to help our clients move prospects through their sales pipeline faster, smarter, and more efficiently. All right, let's dive in. At KEXY, we build powerful, done-for-you sales outreach systems that boost lead generation and drive conversions. Our advanced AI agents, some of which are custom built, help our clients fill their sales pipelines and grow revenue faster than ever. Here's how it works. We zero in on your perfect prospects from a global database of over 350 million B2B contacts and filter out these ideal prospects by job title, industry, revenue size, and more. Then our AI agents go to work, tracking buyer intent, monitoring behavior, and pinpointing exactly when a lead is ready to convert. Then we get personal. We analyze LinkedIn activity, profile data, content they've posted, and even conferences they've attended. Next, the agent builds personalized email campaigns that feel like they were written just for them. because they were. This kind of personalization gets crazy high response rates. Our agents also create personalized visual reports that speak directly to each prospect's pain points. For our particular use case, we analyze things like domain health, email deliverability, SEO strength, and social media presence. This approach creates one-to-one engagement at scale without the manual work. This targeted, personalized approach works on autopilot, turning cold leads into warm conversations and boosting revenue by 20 to 40% year over year. And the final AI agent, me. That's right. This video was created by us, and we use this type of video AI agent to connect with leads one-on-one at scale. We track every open, every click, and every interaction in real time. For example, if someone visits our site or opens an email, we can respond instantly with a personalized video. Here's what that looks like in action. Hey, Mark, I saw that you visited our site earlier today. Did you have any questions, or is there anything that piqued your interest about our legal services? Hey, Michelle, thanks for taking a look at that case study I sent over to you earlier today. Does this sound like something our company can help you with? Hi, Sean. I just wanted to send you a quick video to see if you had any questions about our services. Are you guys currently in the market for a new security system? How about in Spanish? Hola, Mark. Vi que visitaste nuestro sitio más temprano hoy. Or Chinese? 你对我们的法律服务有任何问题或感兴趣的地方吗? You get the idea. With KEXY, no lead slips through the cracks. Every touch point is timely, relevant, and personal. I hope this video was not just useful, but sparked some ideas on how you can use AI agents to boost your business and sales. If you have any questions or want to learn more about how KEXY can help you, shoot us a message. Oh, and I promise a real person will get back to you.